How to make your house a home without spending any money. Hello friends, today we will talk that how to make your house a home without spending any money. It takes but a few simple steps to spruce up and breathe new life into your home. Watch on to see how you can add a new flavor to your home without spending any money. You'd be amazed at the resources you already have sitting around collecting dust. Now it's time to put them to use. 1. Rearrange your furniture. Nothing is so simple as rearranging furniture. For larger pieces you may want to enlist the help of a friend. You'll be amazed at how different your space looks by simply moving a couch, a table, dresser, or bed. Your room may even end up feeling a good bit larger. It will certainly feel fresher and newer. 2. Make use of those old paint cans. Most likely you have cans of paint sitting in your basement or garage. Gallon-sized tins that could be as much as half to 3/4 of the way filled. Add some color, pizzazz, and depth to your rooms. If you don't have enough to paint an entire room, consider painting an accent wall or even the ceiling. Paint the inside of your closets or bookcases. Give old furniture a facelift with a coat of paint. 3. Put old fabric swatches to use. Dig up any fabric swatches that you have and put them to use either individually or collectively by covering pillows and bolsters for your bed or couch. You can create a patchwork pattern or you can frame those swatches that are most interesting to create fun and colorful wall art. 4. Freshen up the linens. Give curtains, sheets, pillows, and bedding a new look by adding rickrack, pom-poms, or ribbons to borders. By simply adding these to the borders, an ordinary pillow, sheet or bedding can become more whimsical, sophisticated, and elegant. You'll be amazed at how such a simple thing can be so transforming. 5. Display your wares. Whether you're an avid collector or simply have lovely and unique items, it makes no sense to keep them tucked away behind closed cabinet doors and drawers. Bring out the decorative dishes, bowls, pitchers, muffin tins, and rolling pins. Bring out whatever it is that you collect and display them proudly, whether by hanging them or grouping them together on tables, counters, and in bookcases. Instead of having various candle holders scattered through your home, bring them together in one location and display them together. 6. Mirror on the wall. Add oversized mirrors to your space. Mirrors will open up your space and enhance the room's natural lighting. Large mirrors need simply lean against a wall or rest on a mantel for a simple and perfect touch. Add one mirror, add several. You can't go wrong here. 7. Put your unused fireplace to good use. If your fireplace doesn't get used, take advantage of this natural focal point. A fireplace is any room's greatest asset, so play it up. Paint the inside of your fireplace in a bright or bold color. Place a large plant, stone bust, or another artifact inside the empty space. Create a small scene or vignette using art, coffee table books, and other collectibles. Group candles of all sizes together and light them to create a warm and lovely setting. Or store extra books or a large wicker basket with extra pillows here. Don't let this extra space go to waste. 8. Pull the photo boxes out from under the bed. Dust off those old photographs and display them proudly. Hang them on your prominent walls, in living rooms, bedrooms, and hallways. Create a gallery in a galley or mudroom. Display them on bookshelves and in bookcases. Place them on tables, dressers, and desks. Photographs are a perfect way to personalize your space. 9. Go to nature. Bring the outside in with freshly cut flowers, branches, river rocks, pine cones, and whatever natural, organic ingredients you can find. This is a great thing to get the kids involved in. Place flowers and branches in tall glass vases. Group your rocks and pine cones on platters, trays, and large glass bowls. Place these organic wares strategically through your home. 10. Go to the fruit drawer. Fruit is a natural accessory. It adds such a visual and textural element to a space. Place a collection of citrus fruit in large glass jars, vases, or bowls for instant and natural color. Rotate the fruit and swap it out from time to time to remove the pieces that are blemished. As the seasons change, swap the citrus out for apples, pumpkins, and gourds. With all the natural and existing resources in your home, you can easily make your house a home without spending any money. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, Subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.